Hi, my name is Liu. Basically, I set up this course because it have online and offline solution. Means they have online tutorial. Means you can take your own sweet time to learn it. While you have some question, you can come to this physical class to attend it, to ask question about it. And then there's also the online platform to help you. Yeah, that's a good thing about this course. And then, that's all I think.
How has the course help you in your work or business?
Basically, I learned this full stack base because of my hobby only. Yeah, so far I haven't really think of how to apply it to the real world lah. Yeah, maybe after the whole learning process, then I can find some ideas on that lah. Yeah, yeah, that's all.
If you can apply it today, how would you apply it? What's the best thing if you could guess?
Best thing I apply the concept. So far right now I'm only on the front end part most. I would think to like make the boring presentation slide. Means presentation slide maybe some hyperlink on that, just like how you experience in the website lah. Yeah, means transfer the catalog into the web page format lah.